Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory installation tutorial video. Today we're going to be working on this 2007 to 2012 Hyundai i30. Specifically, we're going to be replacing the interior door handle on the model. Super common problem. Obviously the plastic's quite brittle after, it's been about 10 years since they were first released, so people are actually snapping their handles or even snapping the plastic on the back. Can't get out of your car without winding your window down. Super frustrating. So we're going to show everybody how to quickly replace this. It's about a 5-minute, 10-minute job, but we'll get straight into it and I'll show you how it's done. Guys, if you are interested in this product, before we get started, I'm going to chuck the link top right corner down in the bio of the video. I believe they're $33.30, free postage around Australia. So as you can see, we're helping you install the parts, which saves you money on mechanical repair costs, and obviously this could be a $100 part from a Hyundai. So yeah, definitely worth checking out that link. Alrighty guys, let's get into it. Right, door handle's here guys, but in order to access it, you actually have to take this whole door card off. You only need 2 tools to get that job done. Flathead screwdriver, and you've got a little plastic insert in here. You can literally just stab the flathead in and pop it down. You can see it just there. Phillips head screw. Pull that Phillips head screw out. You can see the door handle cover is already moving. You can now pull that little Phillips head screw out. Bring your door handle out like this, and you can just pop it out like that. So you can see we can now access it, but because it's so thick, you can't actually pull it through. So you got to take this area off here. There's a flat Phillips head screw in this pocket, which you can just see with ease. That's super duper easy. Phillips head out, bring it out of the pocket there, put it to the side. Now we want to pull this door card off, so use a little flathead and just stab it in behind the plastic here, just like so. It gives it a bit of a lever and you can hear the little plastic clips letting go. You can see how that's just going to pop off now. Now I'm going to take this little cover off here. To do that, you can just, again, place a flathead behind, and then you'll notice it just pops off like so. Super duper straightforward. And then of course, guys, door card pops up and off. Now behind the door card, don't forget, you'll have your 2 plugs, 1 and 2. You just press down on the tabs and of course pull them out. Now you can move your door card to the side. Right, so your door card's off, which was pretty easy. Now we're just going to undo these 3 Phillips head screws. I'm going to start here with the front one. Now guys, I just wanted to point out the reason that we do these types of videos is we're trying to spread the word just how easy it is to perform your own DIY repairs on cars just like this. You got to think about the amount of money you're saving doing these jobs yourself. A mechanic might charge you an hour's labor to do this job, which is in excess of $110, $120, depending on what state. And we're going to do this job in under 10 minutes. So it's kind of what we're all about here at Parts Factory. If you do appreciate what we're doing here, guys, subscribe to the channel, or at least give this video a like so that we know it's something that you're interested in. Alrighty guys, next we're going to just pull up on here, and you can just pop out that little tab. Same thing again. Pull up, pop out, just like that. Righty guys, so this is the Parts Factory equivalent that we've got here. You can obviously pull your tape off, 1 and 2. Goes there like that. This one goes to the top. So what we'll do is we will flip the handle, match the orientation, put that little metal rod in, and obviously pop that black tab back in where it's supposed to go, like that. Now this little thing kind of, I'll just demonstrate again. Just gonna pop that white tab in. If I can do it while not blinding you guys. Just use my other hand. Pop the white tab in, bring it down. And then the little male part of this goes into the female part in there. And then you push down and it pops into place. Back up straight, then these lines, the top one performs the locking and the bottom one performs the handle. If you get them mixed, you're going to be pulling all this back off and restarting, so make sure you get that correct. Phillips heads all back in, guys. As you can imagine from this part on, it's just the exact same thing in reverse. 1, 2, the final one, number 3. Now, if you pulled this triangular piece off, which you will have, you need to pull these little pink tabs out. Best way to do that is just use a pair of scissors, and you can just put it over the top like that, and then you can literally just give it a twist. It pops out super duper easy. Now you can place those pink little clips back in this triangular piece. That way when we push it on, it's just going to clip straight in. It'll be super duper easy and straightforward. Bringing your door card back over, obviously electrical plugs. 1, and the one at the front. 2. Should hear an audible click, but on my first one I didn't, but I'm pretty sure it's in quite solid. And then bring the door card back over the top. It actually has got to go in the top first, and then it sits up there on that ridge. Once it's sitting up there, you should be able to apply pressure to the top, and then you can just come around, giving it light taps, and it should sit nice and flush on the door panel of the car. You've now got this little cover. Again, it just goes in like this, pops in like that. Of course, remember our little Phillips head that goes in there. We do have different colors available on the website, guys, so this video is just for installation purposes only, or demonstration purposes rather. Again, here you can just pop that in because we put our little pink things back in. And of course, the last strengthening Phillips head, this is the most important part of the job, goes back in the little hole. You might have a magnetic tip on your screwdriver. Back in the hole, tighten it up nice and firm, and that would be the whole job complete. Right guys, all done. Even quicker than I expected. Whole job done, door card off, door handle on, 5 minutes. Pretty incredible if you ask me, considering you can do all this at home with regular tools in your dad's garage or your own garage. Guys, if this is something that you're interested, you like this type of content, I do ask, subscribe to the channel, or at least like the video. That way we know it's something that you appreciate and interested in. Alrighty guys, don't forget, products in the bio. My name is Lucas Drabsch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.